Nothing in this podcast is intended as investment advice, and the people in this podcast may hold positions in the companies they talk about. Do not make any investment based solely on a tip or recommendation. Please do your own research.
Hello and welcome to Zak's Traders Cafe. Today I'm joined by Charles Dickson, who is Executive Chairman at Roadside Real Estate. How are you today, Charles?
I'm very well, Zak. How are you?
Very well. You announced your interim results before the Labour government came in, but they obviously look good. But I presume one should also regard them as being backward facing, because it doesn't really reflect what you're going to do in the future. Maybe that's the exciting part of Roadside.
Yeah, I think they're backward facing, but they sort of clearly show the repositioning of the business that we've undertaken over the last 2 years is now bearing fruit. We expect to have a very positive momentum going into the next couple of years. So yeah, we're delighted with the interim results and delighted with the repositioning of our company.
Right. I suppose it could be said that you're a bit sort of a mini conglomerate. Maybe that's fair or unfair, I don't know. But what is the highlight, or what's going to be the main driver for you over coming months?
Main driver will be growing, continuing to invest and grow our roadside strategy. There's going to be quite a bit of news flow on that over the next few months. We are in full flow with the joint venture with Meadow Partners and are very busy at the moment on the real estate side. Cambridge Sleep Sciences continues to go from strength to strength, and we will look to gradually reduce our stake in that company over the next year or so, realising significant value for shareholders.
So one wise owl on Twitter suggesting that you'll be part of or be helping to get the rollout of electric charging points for cars, via your portfolio.
Correct, and obviously the change of government last week has seen Ed Miliband, our new Transport and Environmental, Environmental Secretary, albeit he's going to have a big impact on transport as well. And the Labour government have made it very clear in their manifesto that they are fully supportive of EV vehicles and EV charging points. Whilst I think their manifesto promises are very overambitious and probably not achievable in the timeframes they've set out, it will be very beneficial for our business.
And in terms of that roadside angle, what's the lay of the land in terms of companies signing up, renting from you, leasing from you, whatever they do?
I mean, tenant demand is really strong in our sector, not just from food to go operators or drive-through operators, but also EV charging operators and convenience retail operators. We are seeing huge tenant demand and a lot of competition for our sites.
And is that part of the ongoing death of the high street as well?
Absolutely, yeah. Town councils and city councils have shown complete disdain for shopping and car parking in town and city centres, and therefore people are just not interested in going in. So it's made local, convenient, free, easy retail in out-of-town locations far more attractive. And there's also the added benefit of EV charging. So yeah, no, we're going to see that trend continue. It's definitely not going to be reversed. It's that ship sailed a long time ago. So yeah, we are benefiting hugely from that.
And just finally, 15 million market cap at the moment. You've had a bit of a rise of late. Presumably, you could scale up to any size of business.
Yeah, I mean, the size of the opportunity for us is huge. It's in the billions. But also, we recognise the fact that we're not going to be able to get there overnight. I think the company is significantly undervalued. The opportunity within that is significantly undervalued. We look forward to delivering further value for our shareholders.
Well, we look forward to that. In the meantime, Charles Dickson, Executive Chairman at Roadside Real Estate. Thank you very much indeed.
Thanks, Zak.